to FX Street. Today we're going to be talking about Dogecoin price that consolidates as Doge bulls try to push against the risk aversion wave for this week. But before we dive deeper into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on FX Street, and follow us on Twitter to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency space. Looking at Dogecoin as mentioned, a bit of a risk-off wave this week with rising yields across the boards, so rate increases, and traders are a bit on edge on that because of the fact that several second-tier data points to inflation not going away that easily. And that could well be that then central banks across the world need to fire up the hiking cycle and more hikes to come, which means, of course, more or less supportive monetary policy, which would mean for risk assets as equities and cryptocurrencies to be on the down foot. But all in all, do not be or try to read beyond that news or concern, because all in all, we are only talking about roughly even a minor 2% loss for the week until now, and that 55 moving average on the weekly chart is still there for support, which it did as well in the beginning of February and mid-February. So let's see if it can hold again. And then still this 10-cent handle comes into play for me for a double top test and a break above. Could well be that we see 12 cents on the docket going into March, but that would then be should the Fed, for example, in this next central bank meeting signal that everything's fine, it's normal. It takes a bit of time before the rate hikes start really bite into the numbers, and that inflation will come down further, and then we could see 12 cents. Break to the downside, of course, 55, 200 moving average on the weekly chart. If those break, then we could see a full decline, which could be quite painful. If I take it from the 200, that's 27%. So that could be quite painful should that happen, but that would only be firmer central banks, more negative economic data, and in case geopolitics flare up again. But that's it for now. So please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter and on our website to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency space.